Hi, fourth grade. So for your finding equivalent fractions review today, some of you might be getting stuck, so I'm going to show you how to do it. You need to figure out which part, the top or the bottom, that you have both of. So first look at that. So you have it here. So what you're going to look at is you're going to find, okay, how do I get from 6 to 24? I know that I should times 4 to get to 24. So 6 times 4 is 24. So you have to do the same to the top. 4 times 4 is 16. Same thing with here. Well, how do I get from 1 to 6? I take 1 times 6 is 6. So 2 times 6 is what for this one? Same thing down here. 5 times what is 30? If I know that 5 times 6 is 30, 2 times 6 is 12. Same thing here. 3 times what is 15? If 3 times 5 is 15, 8 times 5 is 40. So what you do to the top or the bottom, you have to do to the opposite to figure out your answer.